Musical makers interested in creating their very own electronic instruments may be interested in a new electronics kit based on the PocketBeagle, which takes the form of the Bela Mini kit. The Bela Mini electronics kit is now available to pre-order in 2 versions, both of which will start shipping during May 2018 and are available for £55 or £110. Watch the demonstration video below to learn more about the latest evolution of Bela, the open-source platform created to help design and build responsive audio and sensor processing projects. Since its introduction 2 years ago, Bela has been used to create hundreds of interactive audio projects, from musical instruments to sound installations. As the name suggests, the Bela Mini is a condensed version of the original design, providing all the most popular features of the Bela platform in a tiny package that is 1/3 of the size of the original. Based on the new PocketBeagle open-source computer, Bela Mini is completely compatible with all the great software features of the original board, including the browser-based IDE with an oscilloscope, support for multiple coding languages, libraries of examples, and easy connectivity with various sensor types.